The House of Representatives don pass for second reading one bill wey go establish the National Electoral Offenses Commission. The person wey move for dis bill, Honourable Adebayo Olusegun Balogun, explain say the new commission go help carry the work of prosecuting electoral offenders comot from INEC hand. According to am, na independent agency suppose dey handle dis kind duty. E tok say INEC don dey carry too much electoral wahala for head and e dey affect the integrity of election matter for the country.
INEC as an agency has been overwhelmed by the responsibility of prosecuting all these offenders, and because of that, many offenders are not being prosecuted, and this is not really giving credibility to the institution of INEC. So that is the reason why Nigerians are calling for the independence of an agency that will be taking care of electoral offences generally.
The House of Representatives still don agree say dem go investigate why government no dey pay contractors wey don finish project. During the debate, some lawmakers yarn say plenty projects dey abandoned for different parts of the country sake of government no dey pay contractors the money wey dem dey owe dem.
The lack of releases, like you didn't mention, is affecting a lot of things. Some people have invested their money through the actualization of the projects, but because of the lack of releases, they couldn't continue, they couldn't complete, and in a way, that is also putting the local contractors into
Time you lose in releasing money to a contractor or to somebody executing project for you, you are equally losing the time of completion and the skyrocketing costs of projects. That is the rates at which a contractor puts to execute.
Make una no forget say as we see am and so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. Oyifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.